Hello, enthusiast. Welcome to Goodness Nature, where we uncover the healing power of nature. One remedy, one superfood, and one healthy habit at a time. Let's explore the goodness nature has to offer your mind, body, and soul. What if a woman truly trusted nature? In a world full of quick fixes and synthetic solutions, what happens when a woman turns back to the earth? What happens when she honors her body, not by suppressing its symptoms, but by nourishing it with living foods and healing herbs? For just 1 week, imagine this. A woman chooses plants over pills, juices over junk, balance over burnout. The result? A transformation that starts in her cells and blossoms through her skin, energy, emotions, and essence. Let's explore 9 beautiful, natural combinations, all rooted in nature and designed to support women's wellness. One gentle day at a time. 1. Beaten lemon juice, liver love and hormone. Harmony. Beets are packed with betalains, which support liver detoxification, your body's filter for hormones, toxins, and blood. Lemon juice, rich in vitamin C and citric acid, helps the liver release bile and flush waste. Together, this combo purifies the blood, clears hormonal imbalances like estrogen dominance, supports regular menstrual cycles, helps brighten the skin from within. Drink first thing in the morning to awaken your liver and balance your internal rhythms. 2. Pineapple and chia seeds, skin glow and nail strength. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that reduces inflammation and helps digestion, 2 key players in skin health. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3s, fiber, and protein, which rebuild connective tissue and hydrate the skin from within. Together, they clear up acne and dullness, promote collagen production, strengthen hair and nails, aid digestion, which directly impacts skin clarity. Try it as a mid-morning snack. Pineapple chunks with soaked chia in coconut water. 3. Papaya and cloves, flatten belly and eliminate parasites. Papaya's natural enzyme, papain, helps break down proteins and reduce bloating. Cloves are one of nature's strongest anti-parasitic herbs, used for centuries to kill intestinal worms and microbes. Together, this pair soothes the gut lining, reduces inflammation and bloating, cleanses the digestive tract of toxins and unwanted organisms, promotes a flatter belly and easier digestion. Blend into a smoothie or drink as a digestive tonic 30 minutes before a meal. 4. Blueberries and flaxseed, sharper focus and PMS relief. Blueberries contain powerful antioxidants that cross the blood-brain barrier, improving memory and concentration. Flaxseed provides phytoestrogens and fiber that regulate estrogen levels and reduce PMS symptoms. Together, they enhance mental clarity, reduce brain fog, ease breast tenderness, cramps, and mood swings, support hormone balance, blend into oatmeal, smoothies, or energy bites. 5. Mango and turmeric, radiant skin and flexible joints. Mango delivers vitamin A, beta-carotene, and enzymes that renew skin cells. Turmeric, thanks to its active compound curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory. This golden pair fades dark spots and blemishes, reduces joint pain or stiffness, promotes healthy collagen production, calms inflammation from within, including hormonal acne. 6. Aloe vera and lime, clear skin and mucosal healing. Aloe vera is hydrating, cooling, and anti-inflammatory, particularly for skin and mucosal linings, like the gut and reproductive system. Lime, rich in vitamin C, enhances aloe's healing effects and stimulates detoxification. Together, they reduce acne, redness, and irritation, support vaginal and gut health, hydrate tissues from the inside out, alkalize, and gently cleanse the body. 7. Spinach and apple, natural energy and iron support. Spinach is high in non-heme iron, magnesium, and folate. Apple contains vitamin C and quercetin, which help the body absorb iron more effectively. This green pair supports energy and stamina, especially for menstruating women, builds blood and oxygen flow, reduces fatigue and dizziness, helps regulate thyroid and adrenal function. 8. Watermelon and basil, hydration and lighter menstrual flow. Watermelon hydrates the body, kidneys, and skin with natural electrolytes. Basil is a sacred plant in Ayurveda, known to balance hormones and reduce cramps. Together, they improve blood flow, help regulate menstruation, relieve water retention, support a peaceful menstrual cycle with less bloating and pain. 9. Dates and almond milk, feminine energy and emotional balance. Dates are naturally sweet and full of iron, magnesium, and vitamin B6, nutrients essential for hormonal harmony. Almond milk provides healthy fats, calcium, and a calming, grounding energy. Together, this duo nourishes the reproductive system, stabilizes mood and nervous system, supports emotional resilience, enhances fertility and feminine glow. Sip this warm before bed to ground your emotions, stabilize sleep, and connect with your inner essence. Why just 1 week can create a shift? 7 days is all it takes to begin seeing brighter, clearer skin, balanced emotions, improved digestion and lighter cycles, more mental clarity, renewed connection to body and intuition. When women give themselves the gift of consistent nourishment, even just for a week, their bodies remember their natural rhythm. This is the quiet wisdom of nature, always waiting to support you. How to try this at home. A gentle daily flow. Here's a simple sample routine. Morning, empty stomach. Beet plus lemon or aloe plus lime shot. Mid-morning, blueberries plus flaxseed or pineapple plus chia lunch, spinach plus apple salad or juice. Afternoon, papaya plus cloves smoothie. Dinner, light vegetable meal with turmeric evening. Dates plus almond milk warm elixir. You don't need to do all 9 at once. Start with 2 to 3 pairings and rotate them based on your needs or cycle phase. Who should try this? These natural remedies are especially supportive for women in their 20s, 50s, navigating hormones, stress, or energy dips. Anyone struggling with PMS, skin issues, or irregular periods. Women in peri-menopause looking for natural balance. Women reconnecting with their body, cycle, and feminine energy. Cautions and notes. As with all natural remedies, if pregnant, consult your doctor before trying papaya or strong herbs like cloves. Monitor any allergies or sensitivities, especially to seeds or citrus. Always use fresh, whole ingredients for best results. These remedies are gentle but powerful. Consistency matters more than quantity. Final reflection, reclaiming the feminine through nature. If a woman trusted nature, she would cleanse gently, not harshly. She would soften her skin, balance her mood, and energize her womb. She would glow, not from makeup, but from within. She would feel more whole, more alive, more in tune with her purpose. You don't have to heal everything overnight, but you can begin. With 1 glass, 1 fruit, 1 breath at a time. If a woman trusted the power of plants for just 1 week, she'd never go back to the synthetic way again. Thank you for joining us on this journey toward natural wellness. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let's spread the goodness of nature together. Until next time, stay healthy and stay natural.